Welcome, parents and caregivers, to our ultimate guide on creating the perfect sleep environment for your little one. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about cribs, bassinets, co-sleepers, and the essentials of a safe sleep space for infants aged 0 to 2 years. Whether you're a first-time parent or just looking for some fresh ideas, get ready for a wealth of practical advice. Let's start with the basics: your baby's sleep space. You have several great options: cribs, bassinets, and co-sleepers. Each has its benefits, so think about your space, lifestyle, and your baby's needs. Cribs are a classic, durable choice. Bassinets are perfect for newborn closeness, and co-sleepers provide a safe, adjacent spot for nighttime bonding. Consider your room layout and how you plan to interact during nighttime feedings. Next up, the mattress. A firm crib mattress is absolutely essential for your baby's safety. Soft mattresses can increase the risk of suffocation or SIDS, so opt for a mattress that's both supportive and safe. Always check that it fits snugly in your crib to eliminate gaps where a little limb could get trapped. Now let's talk about fitted crib sheets. Think of these as the unsung heroes of the nursery. They not only protect your mattress, but also provide a soft, comfortable surface for your baby to sleep on. Make sure to have multiple sets on hand. This way you can quickly swap out a soiled sheet and ensure your baby always has a fresh, clean sleep environment. Speaking of sheets, we know how messy things can get with the little one. Pro tip: invest in high-quality, machine-washable fitted sheets. Consider having at least 3-4 sets available. This not only saves you time, but also keeps your baby's sleep area hygienic, especially during those unexpected nighttime spills or diaper mishaps. Safety is our #1 priority. Always ensure the sleep area is free of loose bedding, pillows, and stuffed toys. Keeping the crib clear helps maintain an unobstructed, safe space for your baby to sleep. Remember, a clutter-free crib is a happy crib. While we're on the topic of a safe sleep environment, don't forget about the room temperature and lighting. A comfortably cool room, ideally between 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 22 degrees Celsius, supports better sleep. Use blackout curtains or a dim nightlight to create a soothing atmosphere, perfect for those late-night naps. For parents who want that close connection during the night, co-sleepers are a fantastic option. They offer a secure, separate space for your baby right next to your bed. This setup can make nighttime feedings easier while still adhering to safe sleep practices. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's guidelines to maintain safety. Bassinets are a brilliant choice for newborns who thrive on proximity and gentle rocking. Their compact size fits snugly into your bedroom, creating an intimate sleeping space. They're also highly portable, making them a convenient option if you're planning to move around your home with your little one. As your baby grows from 0 to 2 years, their sleep needs and space requirements will change. Start with a bassinet or co-sleeper for those early months and transition to a crib as your baby becomes more mobile. Each stage is a step in your baby's development, and adapting their sleep environment is key to supporting healthy sleep habits. In conclusion, creating a safe and comfortable sleep environment doesn't have to be overwhelming. By choosing the right sleep space, using a firm mattress, and having multiple sets of fitted crib sheets, you're setting the stage for peaceful nights and sweet dreams. Remember, every family's needs are unique, so trust your instincts, stay informed, and adjust as necessary. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow parents on the journey to safe sleep. Sweet dreams and happy parenting.